Artificial intelligence, once a concept of science fiction, is now a reality that is reshaping our workplaces. But with this technological revolution comes a number of pressing questions, one of which is, will AI replace humans in the workplace? But I think a better question is when and what jobs are most at risk? From customer service chatbots to self-checkout kiosks, AI is automating tasks at an unprecedented rate. In 2024, approximately 30% of companies reported to replace workers with AI. Major companies like IBM and Goldman Sachs have implemented AI-driven efficiencies, leading to workforce reductions in administrative and financial roles. According to the Tony Blair Institute, AI is expected to displace 1 to 3 million jobs in the UK alone. Now, this is with displacements occurring gradually as AI adoption increases across the economy. Globally, predictions are that AI could displace 75 million jobs this year. So this is not something that is happening in 5 years, in 10 years' time. It's happened already and it is happening now. So let's have a look at the jobs that are most at risk and let's look at those silver linings as well. Based on recent analysis and projection, there are several job categories that are considered to be high risk for automation. But before we look at that list, it's important to note that, while these jobs are high risk, automation does not mean elimination. Okay, so many roles are more likely to be transformed and adapted into something else rather than completely eliminated and replaced entirely. And new jobs are expected to emerge as AI technology advances. So more about that coming in a minute. So let's have a look at the top 10 job categories. In at number 1, data entry and processing. Data entry clerks and processors are highly vulnerable to AI automation, with 69% of data processing tasks potentially automatable using current technologies. Customer service representatives, so AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, are increasingly handling routine inquiries, and predictions are that around 95% of customer service interactions are going to be AI-powered by 2025, so the end of this year. Bookkeepers and accountants. About 25% or just over of chartered and certified accountants' jobs are considered to be high risk of automation. Manufacturing and assembly line workers, so up to 20 million manufacturing jobs could be replaced by robots globally by 2030. Transportation and logistics, autonomous vehicles could replace up to nearly 300,000 long-distance truck driving jobs in the US alone. Retail salespeople. E-commerce and AI-powered recommendation systems are reshaping retail, with 12% of retail jobs in the UK disappearing since 2008, partly due to automation. So this is already well underway and been happening for quite some time. Market research analysts. So AI's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data very quickly is automating some aspects of market research as well. Administrative and legal professionals, 46% of tasks in administrative and 44% in legal professions could potentially be automated. Sales, marketing, and customer service. These roles are seeing the most AI-related initiatives currently. Media and marketing. So AI-powered writing tools are having such a massive impact on these industries as well. So originally I was just going to give the top 5, but I thought by giving these 10, it gives you a much more kind of rounded view of how AI is reshaping the workplace. So let's quickly follow up with that and say it is not all doom and gloom. There's also a massive amount of potential here as well. Now, while AI is excelling at automating these routine kind of tasks, it's also creating a massive amount of new opportunities for us. So roles such as AI maintenance, ethics and oversight are emerging, requiring human skills that machines just can't replicate. So we still need to manage them. And there's positions like AI ethics officers that are being established to ensure kind of AI models are developed responsibly and without bias. Additionally, the European Union's AI Act emphasises that necessity for human oversight of any AI system. So it's highlighting the demand for a professional who can monitor and guide AI applications ethically. Here's a really positive fact for you. AI is predicted to create 133 million jobs by the end of this year. And this is a net gain of 58 million jobs. And these new roles that are emerging are in AI development, data and analysis, cybersecurity, and they need skills like critical thinking, creativity, and problem solving. So job displacements are anticipated to be offset by these newly created jobs. So it really is a double-edged sword, isn't it? You know, AI is transforming the workplace and industries enormously, but it is leading to both job displacements and job creation. And I think, the key really does lie in adaptability. By acquiring new skills and embracing continuous learning, we can all adapt to this new AI-driven landscape. So, will AI replace humans in the workplace? In some areas, it will, but it's also going to open up new doors and new possibility for all of us. And our challenge is really to evolve alongside this new technology and ensure that we remain indispensable in the age of AI. I hope you found this both informative and calming. If you'd like to know more about AI, hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Lisa Cawthorne, and I'll see you soon.